Welcome back in the 7th episode of Business with Tanmay, and today's topic is 4 ways to build a sellable business. So let's get started. Now, as the world reopens, consumers are changing their mindset and adjusting back to everyday life. They are spending more on products, services, and various efforts from entrepreneurs. While the growth opportunities are tremendous, a lack of clarity often derails that growth. So you may have started your business around something you're passionate about, but you need clarity on where you are going. One important step to scaling business to 6, 7 or 8 figures is a vision and plan for what the business will evolve into. Will you always have a solopreneur type of operation? Do you want to build a business with virtual assistants? Would you consider bringing employees on? If it's your goal to build a 7-figure brand and business that you could sell someday, here are 4 ways to build in a way that leads to clarity and growth. Number 1, create a larger entity while using personal branding building strategies. To build a sellable business, you need a structure that allows the business to be sold. If your business is wholly tied to you, it will be hard to sell. A great example of this is how Gary Vaynerchuk has built it Vayner Media using the reach of the personal brand he has created. The idea of entrepreneurship is freedom and financial independence. The goal should be to build a business that can function without your constant direct involvement. Building a larger entity helps you accomplish those goals. Number 2, use a value-first approach to marketing. Now, to build a 7-figure business and a sellable business, don't follow the typical approach. One way to convert more cold customer is through value-first content. People are tired of the ads. They want real value through the content they consume every day. When you are the entrepreneur or business adding value first, you easily stand above the screams for sales. Number 3, make offers that have practical consumer value. Have product offerings for every segment of your target audience, ranging from low tier to premium. Focus on tangible results and clear takeaways for consumers. They will see the value with less marketing required on your part. Number 4, consistently show up and keep adding building blocks. A lot of the reason why industry leaders build a large audience is that they are consistent about showing up and adding value. Look at any prominent YouTuber, influencer or big name entrepreneur and you will see a history of consistency. Growth starts with you being clear on your overall goals. If you are content keeping a small business model, that's okay. If it's your goal to build a scalable and sellable business, consider how you are doing with these 4 points. You can build a business that grows beyond you having to invest all your time and energy always working. Strategically create freedom. Thank you.